Taking information presents four most promising ways coffee can benefit your skin. The moderate consumption of coffee can provide a number of health benefits and properties which help you to fight the illness. This refreshing drink is not only good for your health but also works amazing for your skin. Well, this is a piece of good news for all the coffee lovers. Check out the following beauty benefits of coffee. Anti-cellulite body scrub. Coffee is known to be a good body scrub to minimize cellulite. It helps in tightening the skin and also reduces the appearance of dimply cellulite. To prepare a body scrub, you have to mix the ground coffee with a spoon of olive oil and sugar. Just use this mixture and massage on the affected area in circular motions. Follow it every day as per your skin type. Face scrub. How to prepare a face scrub? Prepare a face scrub by mixing ground coffee, brown sugar and olive oil. Just massage it on your face on circular motions to remove the dead skin cells. However, the ingredient work great as a scrub and it is not harsh on the skin. How to brightness the skin? Try a coffee mask for the natural glowing skin. All you have to do is to take off a cup of coffee and mix it with new spoons of milk for a thick consistency. Now use the mixture as a face pack and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. This in turn will help you to elevate the dead skin cells and get glowing skin naturally. Next, decreases puffy eyes. How? Did you know coffee reduces puffiness in your eyes? Well, it helps you reduce puffiness by shrinking the blood vessels, so use the leftover of the coffee and apply it under the eyes and eyelid area for a few minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. You can also try coffee ice cubes hack for puffy eyes. Thank you. Just share this information. Thank you everyone.